We'll guide you through how to allow only the admin to send messages in a WhatsApp group. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in WhatsApp, so you only want admins to be able to send messages. Perhaps you want to do this because you want to go and create a group just for doing sort of notifications about an event or something like that. And so you just don't want other people to go and message and sort of go and congest the group. Come into the WhatsApp group you want to do this in. Of course, you need to go and be the admin of it to go and do this as well. I made this group. Then what you can do is come to the top and you want to go and tap on the name, and this thing goes and opens up the group page here. What you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for group permissions in settings, and you want to go and tap there. And you want to go and find the option for send new messages, and you want to go and switch that off like so. Then you can come back and that's it. The other members will no longer be able to go and send messages.